so you don't know. Yeah. Welcome. So you know, so we have the turkey neck right here. We're going to cook, and this is a video you don't know. We'll show you how to cook turkey neck. Watch it now, guys. One we put on this, we put Irish, we put onion, we put scallion, we put garlic, we put thyme, we put pepper, we put tomato, and we put jerk seasoning, and we put browning at this. Yes, we put them the ingredients there. Yes guys, so you don't know, so we put the pot on fire and we will make that well hot, and we will throw in the oil in that, and we will start fry them. When we done fry them, we will see what I'm going to tell you. Stay tuned for that. So we throw in the oil, so you must see the chicken, the turkey neck, them are going loves the chicken in. Yeah. Alright guys. Oh, this guys, one not one. I never turn on the camera in time. See that? See that one. This guy's pulling some more. This guy, see him there? See him there, see them back. Yeah, so them look. You see the bone there. Yeah, but you see them back. You see them back. Okay, wait. So we go for the yes guys, you know, change the plan, is it? Try to just throw in everything in a one, and then we'll just cook it down, is it? Yeah. So we're not about to fry them on. Yeah, change up plan again. And I'm going to throw the water upon that and if it's going to cook the zip, so it cook right down to I don't know anything. want to look for it. Yeah man, look at that. Come on, so we're going to go and do the thing. Yeah, because we have a brand new to throw on it. See it there? Yeah. So you know the thing, but so we're going to stay tuned, guys. We're going to see this soon done. Oh. This guy, you see that? Come on. See that? Like that. Look at this. Yeah. So guys, I throw a little water upon it because this need to cook in some more. So you need to throw some more water upon it. You know, so I'm going to roll it and keep going cook. You know, so when it's done, we'll show you. When you look back on it, so take care of yourself, big up on yourself, much love and see you. This guy, so you know, so the water added. Like that. Yes, so I'll make this one cook down again. Yeah, so stay tuned. Yes, guys, see it now. Just I look back for it, so you know what I'm going to taste inside, taste it. It'll come to the right way more, and you know, I'm going to throw in some water upon it, so stay tuned. Yes guys, so see you know, so we get it to one to show the season on it right now. So look how it's on. Yeah. Exactly in the season, yeah. Stir that. Stir that and cover that with it. Yeah. You know, so we make by the time the water don't cook down, you know, say we'll throw on this one. See that now? Yeah, perfect. Okay, alright. That guys. Yeah, man. So, okay. Trouble when this done, so stay tuned. Yes guys, so you don't know. Look at that. So you are better looking for yourself. Yeah, them well come to my from one of them now. So maybe you make the water dry down too much, so you need to throw out the water upon it, so you don't know. Yes guys, so you don't know to throw in the bread bean right now. You know the thing go. That. That guys. Look funny. Yeah. See that guys? So now I'm gonna make it one big thing, so when you come back look, throw a little bit taste it and see if you want to look more salt. And just throw some more salt on it, you know, so sharing time is it. Look at it now. Yes guys, you don't know, Jamaican turkey neck with broad bean and rice and peas. You know, so that nice. Oh, stay tuned. Pot start boil there, don't know how the thing will go. Guys, alright, as you can see, don't know. We did a boil this from my cold stove already. So you don't know, because you don't know. Make it go and boil from the cold stove, is it? So, maybe put piece about, let's see, about 2 cloves of garlic in it and piece of ginger, you know? Yeah, just to bring out the flavor and then we'll put some salt in it, is it? Yeah, so I'm gonna make it finish boil on this, then I'm gonna season up it with scallion and thyme and everything. So guys, stay tuned to see what I go on. Yes guys, you don't know. Yeah. Pot that I boil up. I have my scallion here, so I have my thyme here, so I have my hot pepper here, so you know, so I'm just going to throw them in the pot just like that. Look at that guys, so that right? Really nice, take a good look. Yeah, see that? Yeah, so we never do now guys, we just throw in them and we throw in them. So, alright, yeah guys, I'm just going to use them because you know, so I'm ready to start my channel them in the countryside, is it? And start cook some food in the countryside, you know, so straight coconut, no powder. So I'm just going to use them there guys. Yeah, so I'm going to just use this Kendall coconut milk, big up on yourself. Yeah guys, so we mix out the coconut milk right now. I'm gonna come put it in the pot, so you see what I want. So be up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Yes guys, so I'm gonna add some more water on it, so look what I've gone. Yes guys, so you don't know, I'm sure we're gonna put water, so you know say the rice time, so you know say I'm going to put little butter in this and I'm going to taste the pot because I put little salt in there already, so I don't want it salt, so I'm going to taste the pot. If it want to come more salt in it, then we put in the amount where it wants. Then we put in some butter, then we wash the rice and throw it in, so stay tuned. This guys, I'm going to taste it and if you want some more salt, so I'm going to throw some more on it. Not enough. Yeah, about that. So you know, so I'm going to put some butter on it now. Alright guys, so you know, so I'm not no butter, so I'm going to use some cooking oil in it. Yeah, I use same way. So look for a gun. Yeah. You don't have to throw enough, guys, because I don't know if for the real coconut I use, you don't have to throw it no oil and no butter in it, because I don't know the coconut have butter in it, is it? Oil in it, is it? So, yeah. So if you just make it have a little balance, you just throw in a little oil. Yeah, I'm going to wash the rice right now, guys, so you don't know. Big up on yourself, enough love, and stay tuned. Yeah, guys, I'm going to put a little bit of jerk cheese in it too, so you can do that. Guys, so you know, I'm going to throw in the rice now. Don't wash the rice. It should look. See that now, guys? See that? That nice with the rice, you know, Jamaican style. Yeah. No Jamaican in a Canada style, no Jamaican in a America style. This is Jamaica in Jamaica style. Yeah, big up on yourself, guys. You don't know, you make that go on steam, so when it done steam, you know it's a food of a share. Yeah, I care. Big up on yourself, guys. One love, I'm out. Yes, guys, you know, so the rice done now. See that? See how red this thing, guys? Look at that. Look at that. See that? Done that, done. Yeah. See that? Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, so you know what I'm saying? Stir up this now, right here. Get everything together, right? See that now, guys? See that now? Look at that. See that? So done the rice done, so you don't know. Yes, guys, see food, huh? Yeah. You know, taste the food, no? Look at that.